Hi, my name's Seb from Berkey Waterfilters in the UK. Today I'm going to show you how to clean and prime the black Berkey water filters. When cared for correctly, these filters can last up to 23,000 litres or up to 11 years. In order to make them last so long, you need to clean them and prime them at least every 12 months. If you use this system a lot, for example you have a big family and perhaps use 2 full tanks per day, then we'd actually recommend you clean and prime these filters every 6 months. This will help ensure that you get the maximum lifespan from your filters. Priming the filters is simple to do. We have the priming button. This comes in the pack with your filters, and we have the filter. We simply screw the wing nut down a little bit, allowing enough space for the priming button to fit on top of the thread. It should fit flush on the stem of the filter. We then put this up to the tap, making sure it's tight, and then we run water slowly. We don't want too much pressure. You'll start to see the filter sweat. Continue running the water through for a few minutes and your filters are then primed. In addition to priming with water, it's also a good idea to brush the filters on the outside using a lukewarm water. Not hot, just warm water. We can brush the outside with a scouring pad. Make sure that you brush gently on all sides, right from the top to the bottom and on the base of the filter. After this, prime them again by running water through them as before. The filter is now ready to use. Remove the wing nut and install the filter back into your water tank securely as shown in the installation video.